welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the Naked Ultraviolet palette. By the way, my best friend got me this for my birthday, so shout out to JACLYN for my birthday gift. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I post a video. These colors are so pretty. This is the look that I did. So if you guys want to see how I accomplish this look, keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my eyebrows, but I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be right back. So now that the eyebrows are done, I'm going to actually bring you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see what I'm doing with my eyes. I'm going to start off with Optimized right here, light purple, and put it all over the 2/3 of the eyelid basically. It's a really pretty lilac shade. I'm gonna push it a little bit up to the front, but keep it mostly in this middle and half of the eyes. I'm gonna keep packing that in until I get the color that I really want. I'm gonna go ahead and take Warning and put that right over this purple shade. You guys can see the difference that adding this pinkish fuchsia shade does on top of this little lilac color. So now that I kind of got that kind of the way I like it, I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Cyber Punch and put that right over the crease, just to deepen that up a bit. And I'm gonna bring that actually up closer to the front. Back into the palette and grab Purple Dusk right here and put that right over where I just put that other shade with a more pointier brush. Just to darken that up a bit more. I'm looking down just so I can kind of see where I'm placing that line at a little better. I'm gonna go back into the palette and grab this darker shade called Digital, and using the actual brush that came in the palette, and I'm gonna use that to deepen this up a little bit more. And don't worry about it being messy. I'm gonna go back and clean this up a bit with some concealer. Sorry about that, you guys. My dad just called. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some concealer on the back of my hand and clean that up a little bit. I'm gonna go back into that first color that I used and just go over that again since I covered it with concealer. I'm gonna go into Euphoric and put that on my lid. So now that I've got that concealer on and just fix the eyeshadow that I had on the bottom up a bit, I'm gonna go ahead and go into the color Lucid and put that right here in the front as a highlight and the inner corner as well. In the palette, it looks one shade, but once you put it on, it turns into a whole different shade. In the palette, it looks more aqua greenish. Once you put it on, it turns more blue. To soften this color up here a bit, I'm gonna go back into Optimize and just put that right above all the shades and blend them out. going back and forth and from cyber to digital, I'm gonna define that line above the crease a little bit more. Just going over with a warning, just to make that a bit more vibrant on both sides. I'm adding Euphoric on top of these two shades just to make it a little bit more purple. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that the rest of my face is done, I'm gonna go ahead and add some eyeshadow under my eyes. I'm gonna take Cyber and Euphoric and mix those two up and put them right under my lash line. I'm gonna now take Lucid and put that in the inner corner under my waterline as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some mascara, some lashes, and put some eyeliner, and here's the final look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios.